change it up a little bit. We actually got a new grill for this truck. Welcome back to All Street Garage here. I know we've been working on the flat top, trying to get that thing ready for paint, but we're going to switch it up while we have the silver truck, the 1994 Silver Pete 379 in here, and just kind of tidy up some loose ends to finish it up. So there's just a couple stuff we got to do, but let's dive into it. Ready to go. So, got the girl working today. The girl. Yeah, we need them small hands to get in the tight corner. Here, stand on the bumper. Stand on the front bumper down there. Stand on that.
Yeah, turn sideways and put it in
here. Yeah. Put your foot on that.
So you can just lean back.
Okay.
So here's this.
Where's the holes? Right here?
Yep. There you go. So what you're gonna do with this might get a little tricky because, hold on. All right.
And then I put it on, press the lever?
Yep, so I always pulled it like right here.
Okay.
Then you just, see this little head on there?
Yeah.
You gotta put it in just like right there. Go ahead.
Pull the lever.
Pull the lever.
This lever?
Yep. Then when it's done, you just back it up. There you go.
Okay.
Then put another one
I need to go.
in. Make sure you put the head of the gun all the way towards the gold thing. Yeah. All the way, without hitting the trigger. There you go.
Yep.
Hit trigger. Oh. That's all it is to it. Pretty easy, huh?
Uh-huh.
Fun when you gotta do like 100 of them. Is there a lock washer on the bottom of that?
This?
Yep, so that's just a flat washer, then there should be another one. Yep. So as you tighten that bolt, it crimps that washer and prevents it from spinning back out. Kind of puts pressure on it. It's probably not the technical way, but put that on the bottom, spin that all of this. Oh, turn it the other. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let's see what it looks like. See if it's through the threads. Go a little bit more. One more turn. Good. There we go. Perfect. Through.
Yep.
All right, guys. So we put the new hood latches on that we got from Peterbilt. And originally it's supposed to go in these two holes up here, but we tried it and just kind of held it in with some bolts and it hit the bottom of the light.
Yeah, because we went with the cone watermelon lights.
So we couldn't do it there, so we just decided to move it down a little bit and still use the same piece where the rubber is connected. But
Yep.
And we did the other side, works pretty good, but now we got to put on this side of the rubber and it's just one bolt and we're done with that. But we just used what we used, the huck rivets.
Yeah, so those are the stainless huck rivets that actually go in the grill. So they're just stainless, you know, it matches and blends in. Yeah, they're not painted, but neither are the ones that are down here in this drop panel. So it matches. I say it looks pretty good.
Not too bad.
And it's not carriage bolts.
Yep.
They're huck bolts. So
Yep.
Good job, Stem.
Thanks.
All right, guys, so we got the hood latches on. Now we're gonna come in here to the inside of the truck. And we are going to be installing these LED lights for the dash and all the gauges and stuff. They're blue, and we just got them off Amazon. They're from Mars Auto.
You know what the best part was, Dave?
What?
They were $10
Yeah,
for a pack of 10, so $1 a light. That ain't bad.
No, it's not too bad, but they're actually pretty bright. And we did install a couple on the dash just to show you guys real quick. And they're really bright. It might show up super bright on the camera, but they're you can definitely see the gauges a lot easier than with just the regular incandescent bulbs. And I think these ones are the name for just even the bulb. These bulbs are 194.
Yeah, I think it's a 194 style.
Like
I had to look at the order list.
But these are definitely gonna clean up the interior a little bit, make it a little bit more fancy in here.
Let's see, we got the chromed out dash in here, the silver steering wheel that matches the paint of the truck. We got some Bostrom low back, low air ride, whatever they're called, seats that we got from 4-State Trucks with the base plates down below. We are gonna end up dyeing the carpet, I think, get like just some blue dye and dye it up. Same thing with the door panels, just to kind of freshen them up a little bit. But yeah, definitely the blue. Now we got to figure out how to incorporate the blue into the outside of the truck too.
Yeah.
We need something blue. So if you guys down in the comment section, leave a comment what you think, you know, what should we do on the outside that would help incorporate this blue that all we're doing on the inside.
Well, let's get to it and finish installing all these bulbs.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we finished putting in the blue LED lights. As you guys can tell, it's pretty blue in here. But we had some trouble. We had to do a little bit of wiring up in the dash. Some of the sockets were kind of bad for the lights, but turned out awesome. And this gauge actually right here, the reason there's no light is because it's what, an air cleaner sensor?
Air cleaner life. I think it's the like a life of the cleaner.
Yeah, so but that didn't have a light for the gauge, so maybe they make one that we could put a light in or something, change it out. But it looks awesome. Then we also put took the same bulbs, so we put them up here, and it just looks killer in here. I mean, it'd be awesome driving this truck down the road with all these blue lights.
Might have to go for a ride in this one, man.
Yep, and we still got some more. We're gonna, I think back here, these two sleeper lights on either side, put those blue, so it's just a little bit more touch to the blue, and while you're driving down the road, it would look awesome.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna crawl back in the sleeper to get like the full effect of it. It's one awesome setup.
Yeah, and it's just the right amount of light in here that it won't drive you crazy going down the road, or at least I don't think.
Who knows? It might drive some of you guys crazy, but you know what? At the end of the day, who cares?
Just go like this, turn them off.
Turn them off.
I think it looks pretty awesome.
Change it up a little bit. We actually got a new grill for this truck. We, after looking over everything, I called one of our buddies over at Truckshrouds, John, and told him we were looking to do a grill and which ones, custom ones do they have. And they sent us this oval one. They just started carrying them. So if you guys like how this turns out, go ahead and give John your order. They'll also send you two brand new shields for the sides. So we got both the tops and bottoms and the rivet kit to do it. And they just started. If, you know, this is a job, a lot of people shy away from it because you need to do the rivets. And what John and Truckshrouds do is they actually rent you the tool. So you can buy all this stuff and then rent the tool from them to do it yourself. It'll probably save you a heck of a lot of money doing that. So we got the old one ground out. We got it sitting over there. Cleaned up some of the bracketry on the hood. And we're grillless. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this new grill now that we got all that out. Probably just clean up just to rest around the crown and the side pieces. grab our rivet kit and our hut gun and start putting it in. So let's see how it turns out.
Alright guys, so the reason we're placing the grill in this bottom piece for the nose up there, I don't know if it will show up on camera, but
I picked it up right
it's definitely got a little bit of a bend in there. Obviously someone hit something with it, and it kind of tweaked the front brackets up here as well, that these two huck rivets go into, and the bracket was kind of bent like this, so we actually had to bend it down a little bit, and then the rivets pulled it in, and you can tell down here, and that corner's not too bad, but it's a little bent up down in here, and that's why that gap's not fitting perfectly. So we're gonna have to pound that out a little bit, and it should take care of that problem. But we got this piece on, and it's looking a lot better than what it did.
Well, you know what, Dave? Like even just the quality of work, like making sure that just that corner is bent back straight with the rest of this makes all the world difference, especially with how the truck looks to begin with, you know?
Yeah, so.
And then we do have a little bit of a surprise coming for this guy right here. We are changing it out. We got the whole polished grill, bumper. We got to make sure everything looks good.
Yep, but so I think it's time to put in the grill. Well, first we're gonna clean this up.
Yep, let's clean it up a little bit.
And clean it up. Maybe hit it with some polish.
Yep.
Before we put that grill in. So let's get to it. Thing is shiny.
What do you think, old man?
Pretty shiny to me.
How do you think it's gonna look up on there?
Look good. Oh yeah, it's gonna look real good. Definitely clean up that front end.
So it's a little bit of a different style. It's just the oval cutouts, which compared to the old grill is gonna be a world of difference, I think.
Clean it up. Got her on there. It took us a little bit. It's a little hard with 2 people. Well, 2.5 perhaps is half.
Count them as a half now?
Yeah, but no, it's on there and it looks awesome. I mean, it compared to what was on there before with the big dent and the stock grill, it's a big upgrade.
Oh,
so
heck
thank
yeah.
you to John at Truckshrouds for hooking us up with the new all the parts really, because they've hooked us up a lot.
Between
with
that truck and the
flat
one
top
sitting
there.
over there, yeah, they've hooked us up with a bunch of parts for these rigs. So.
Yeah, and the fender supports they hooked us up with as well.
Yep, those Spoutum fender supports. And man, just look at how straight that is now. It's like spot on.
Yeah, it's all shiny and everything too. But we do have the emblem on the way. It was supposed to be here today, but I don't know what happened. Didn't
I think
come.
all FedExes run a little slow.
Yeah. So, but it definitely cleans the front of it up a lot. And
Oh yeah, I think we got to go get ourselves another one of the swans to put up there too. We get the new emblem
We do
on.
have this one. It's pitting a little bit, but yeah, I think this will look pretty good up there. All of our trucks have swans actually.
I don't know.
So,
We could always paint it, scuff it down and paint it.
we could. Yeah.
We'll see. But no, this looks awesome. John, thank you for sending this. We appreciate it. We love it. Looks great. And if you guys are interested in getting the same grill, we'll leave a description down below to give him a call over at Truckshrouds, and they'll hook you up with the whole thing. But we appreciate all you guys watching, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. That really helps grow this channel and really gets people involved in these trucks and these builds. It's such a crucial part of our economy, these trucks, and we would love to do nothing more than to help grow with the trucking community. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I guess we'll catch you guys all in the next one. And remember, keep them wheels rolling.